Namaste students. Now we are going to start with the next topic of our differential equations. If you remember what we have done till now, what is a differential equation? Order and degree of a differential equation, and then verifying that function is a solution of given differential equation or not. अब पिछले टॉपिक में the solution was given to us and I had to verify कि वो उसका solution है या नहीं. Now what is the next topic? This is also solution of first order first degree differential equation. Alright, I told you we are going to deal with first order first degree differential equations. ठीक है, अब हमें solution दे ही रखा होगा verify करने के लिए. We need to find out the solution of differential equation, and that also we are going to deal with only first order first degree differential equations. So three types of questions, this methods we would be doing it. One is method of variable separable, that is today's topic. Then we will deal with homogeneous equations. Then we are going to deal with linear. When I say homogeneous, I am talking about differential equations, linear differential equations. Alright, clear? Method of variable separable is the base of all the methods. Whether I am doing the question in this category or this category, ultimately question has to be converted into variable separable. Then only you are going to find out the answer. Variable separable का मतलब है एक जैसे variables को अलग अलग कर दो. X वाले सारे dx के साथ, y वाले सारे dy के साथ. Then only I will be able to integrate. अब क्या करना है, हमने differential equation को solve करना है. dy upon dx दे रखा होगा, y तक पहुंचना. तो कैसे पहुंचना पड़ेगा? इंटीग्रेशन से पहुंचना पड़ेगा. तो उसके लिए बहुत कंपलसरी ये है कि सारी x वाली टर्म्स dx के साथ होनी चाहिए, y वाली टर्म्स dy के साथ होनी चाहिए. Then only we will be able to integrate. Is it clear? So in this topic we are going to start with solution of first order first degree differential equation, and the first method which we are going to do is variable separable. Our first method is variable separable. Method of variable separable. Is it clear? In this, the type 1 questions which we will get. The type 1 questions would be dy upon dx is equals to function of x. dy upon dx is equals to function of x. Is it clear? Now I have to separate the variables. Method name is variable separable. Is it clear? That means अब मुझे dy upon dx हटाना है, आंसर आना चाहिए y के अंदर. तो what am I going to do? सारी x वाली टर्म्स के साथ dx जाएगा, and अगर कोई y वाली टर्म है वो dy upon dx के साथ आ जाएगी. Is it clear? All the terms containing x will be with dx and all the terms containing y will be with dy. Alright? Is it clear? Fine. dy और dx न्यूमिनेटर में रहते हैं, तो पता है इंटीग्रेशन में कभी भी डिनोमिनेटर में dx नहीं होता जिसके विद रिस्पेक्ट टू डिफरेंशिएट करना है. अब आई नो दैट आई हैव टू कम टू द सोल्यूशन. दैट मींस मुझे dy से y पे पहुंचना है, dx से कहीं x पे पहुंचना है. तो व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू डू? इंटीग्रेट बोथ साइड्स. अब इसके साथ कुछ नहीं है तो इट इज y. दिस इज द नेक्स्ट स्टेप. फर्स्ट टाइप ऑफ फंक्शन dy upon dx is equals to fx. dx सारी x वाली टर्म्स के साथ जाएगा. Then the next step, जैसे ही वेरिएबल सेपरेट हो जाए उसके बाद we will start with the integration. Is it clear? 1 की इंटीग्रेशन, fx की जो भी इंटीग्रेशन होगी से कैपिटल ऑफ fx, and we are integrating. Do not forget this plus c because it's an integration. This constant will come and we are talking about right now general solution. हमने बोला c आता है जनरल सोल्यूशन के अंदर और उतने आर्बिट्ररी कांस्टेंट्स होते हैं जितने डिग्री ऑर्डर होगा आपका differential equation का. What is the order of differential equation? First. As it is, we are dealing with only first order differential equations. So only plus c will come. इससे अगर पर्टिकुलर सोल्यूशन निकालना है तो कुछ हमें x और y की वैल्यूज दे रखी होंगी जो कि सब्स्टिट्यूट करके we will coming to value of c. Is it clear? So first type of questions when I have dy upon dx only f of x, variable separate and then solve the questions. Alright, the second type is the type 2 questions. One by one we will do both the types questions. Type 2 questions are, you have dy upon dx, the function of x into function of g. Means you have x and y both. You have x and y both. Is it clear? Function of x and function of g. Clear? But what is given along? This g of y not equals to 0. Now whenever you have x and y, simple हमारा logic variable separable का मतलब है x की सारी terms dx के साथ होनी चाहिए, y की सारी terms dy के साथ होनी चाहिए. So do that. This gy will come with dy, dx will go that side. In next step we are going to integrate. अब 1 upon gy की कुछ भी इंटीग्रेशन हो सकती है, ऐसे से g of y आ गई सपोज इसकी इंटीग्रेशन, इसका हो गया कैपिटल f of x plus c. See this arbitrary constant, though I am integrating this side also, तो logically तो यहाँ भी c आना चाहिए और उधर भी इंटीग्रेशन हो रही है c आना चाहिए, बट यहाँ पर सपोज मैंने c1 लिख दिया, वहाँ c2 लिख दिया. जब ये c1 उधर जाएगा c2 minus c1 is again a constant. So whenever you integrate in this differential equation, you just write c on one place. Preferably when it is y is equals to something, so put c on x side. Understood? And now the steps. Again, first of all, separate the variables. Separate the variables. सारी x वाली term will go with dx, y वाली terms will go with dy. Clear? Alright. Second, when you integrate, do not forget to write the arbitrary constant. Do not forget to write c. Can be added to either side. Either of the sides. Is it clear? So this is other types. Now when I do the question, you will find out such an easy topic it is. Alright, so what are we doing? Whatever the dy upon dx is equals to function is given, और यहाँ भी कुछ हो सकता है, सारी x वाली terms dx के साथ जाएगी, dx और dy ऊपर होना चाहिए. इंटीग्रेशन में देयर ऑलवेज आप डू नॉट ब्रिंग की dy यहाँ और x वाली टर्म्स उठा के उसके साथ ले आओ. नो, दैट्स रॉन्ग मेथड. ऊपर terms of y with dy, terms of x with dx, just integrate. Do not forget to write c. Is it clear? Let's pick up a question. We are doing questions related to your method of variable separable. Like suppose I have to solve the differential equation. That is x log x. Is it clear? I have to solve the differential equation x log x. Now, variable separable, easily the variable can be separable. So there is no term of y, so dy will remain as it is. X log x के साथ dx will come. Then what do? We will integrate. Alright. This integration by here x into log x. See children, I told you this chapter is purely based on your integration. Alright, differentiation definitely, because integration differentiation go hand by hand. So you have to remember the integration. It is how to integrate x log x. You have to apply by parts, the product rule in integration. First of all, we choose the function islet. This will be the first function, this would be the second function. Alright, first function as it is. of second की integration, x की integration, x square by 2 minus sign of integration, differentiation of log x, that is 1 by x, into integration of second that we have already integrated. Alright children, fine girls. So 1 by 2 I can take out, 1x cancel, we are left with this, integrate. Increase the power by 1 divided by increase by, integration is over, so I am going to write down plus c. And one thing more, when I was writing the steps, you have to simplify as much as possible. ये नहीं कि यहाँ पर छोड़ दिया, जितना हो सकता है simplification, that I have to simplify. That is very important. अगर suppose कहीं log m plus log n का रूल लग रहा है, log m minus log n का रूल लग रहा है, तो you have to apply. You can't just की integration हो गई, चलो उसको haphazard यहीं छोड़ दो. You will not get marks. Is it clear? And you have to appear for board exams, children. Fine. So जितना simplify होगा, we have to simplify till the end. Fine. Let's pick up the next one. Suppose I have, shall I have this? See, I'm asking you, shall I rub this? Definitely, it's you are not sitting right in front where you have to note down from the board. Fine. So you can rewind and check as many times as you want. Now the next one we have, suppose I have to solve, it is x plus 2 alright. Again we don't have any term containing y, so I have to separate the variable very easily, it can be separable. See, while solving differential equation, I said in the beginning it is an easy chapter. It is an easy chapter when you know indefinite integration. Then only it is easy, otherwise it is not an easy chapter. Alright, so integration. Here is not a problem, there is a problem. How to solve it? Now whenever you know that if you have polynomials and the power of numerator is more than power of denominator, we divide. So divide. Then how do we write it? Quotient plus remainder upon divisor. The question has become very easy. Solve it now. Integration of x, x square by 2. Integration of 2 will be 2x. 5 is a constant, will go out. What is the integration of 1 upon x plus 2? We have done many times. Integration of 1 upon x plus 2 will be log of x plus 2 equals to y. Is it clear? So that means you can't go away with integration. If integration nahi aati to ye chapter you will be able to solve. You will not be able to solve until unless you do not know the indefinite integration. That is a base for this chapter. Let's see some more examples. The third one, dy upon dx is equals to x plus 1 upon 2 minus y. Now see, if I look at the question, I have a second type. If you remember the second type, first two questions were of first type, where we just had dy upon dx is equals to function of x. Now I have function of x as well as function of y. The rule remains same. Y वाली सारी terms dy upon dx के साथ जाएंगी, and dx will go with the terms containing. So integration. So here integration of 2 to y, integration of y square by 2. Integration of x square by this, integration of 1 will be x plus c. There is simplification. Alright, let's take LCM and solve it. We can take LCM and we can solve this equation. if I take LCM, it will become 2 4y both the sides. All the terms I can write on one side. And 2c is also constant. So I can write this as C1. So that's my answer. So this is the required solution of the given differential equation. Is it clear? Can you tell me which equation is this? X square plus y square plus 2x plus say minus 4y plus constant. It's a equation of a circle. If you remember, we have done an application of integration. General form of equation of a circle. X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equals to 0. Alright, not required anything, but at least you should know everything. Coming to this one, again segregate the variable. This y terms will go with dy. Dx will go with all the terms of, and then we are going to integrate. Alright, so integration of 1 upon 1 plus y square, that is tan inverse y, remember. Integration of 1 upon 1 plus x square, that is tan inverse x. Which form is it? This is 1 upon x square plus a square form. 1 by a tan inverse x by a. 1 by a tan inverse x by a. So that is a required solution of the given differential equation. Alright children, very simple. You just have to segregate the variables and integrate. That's it. Look at the fifth one. Find the particular solution of the differential equation dy upon dx is equals to minus 4xy square when y is 1 and x is 0. Alright, now the rule is same. We have to reach up to this step. From general solution, we obtain a particular solution. That is the last step. Alright, when we did the definition of particular solution, it is obtained from general solution. That means my target is to first of all reach to a general solution. So let's reach. Segregate the variables. This will come here. See, do not bring this minus and the constant. Let it be that side only. Is it clear? Constant, I am keeping it outside. To integrate this, I am taking it up. Now integrate. Increase the power by 1 divided by increased power. Increase the power by 1 divided by increased power. Let us solve it. Alright, I want to simplify. We can simplify more. Is it clear? Alright, 2x square minus y is equals to c. Now what are they asking us? Basically, if you remember, we find the differential equation in terms of y. We find the differential equations in terms of y. So I can write it because solution is y is equals to f of x. Solution is always y is equals to f of x. So instead of finding this we can use for finding the value of c. Otherwise, I can write it like this differential equation as taking reciprocal, taking this negative that side because our solutions are like this. Y is equals to, I said dy upon dx, uska solution hota hai y is equals to. So preferably keep it in the form of y is equals to. Is it clear? Now this is the general solution. Now they are asking me to find out the particular solution. A particular solution क्या होता है जिसमें arbitrary constant नहीं आता and c नहीं आना चाहिए. तो c की वैल्यू निकालने के लिए the values of x and y are given. So put it here. In this, y is 1, c, x is 0, so it will become this, c will become minus 1, put the value. Therefore, particular solution is y is equals to 1 upon 2x square, c is minus 1, so minus is already there, plus 1. Understood? Y is equals to 1 upon 2x square plus 1. So what do you have to do in this topic? Separate the variables, all the x terms with dx, all the y terms with dy, integrate, and do not forget to write the particular solution. Simplify as much as it is possible. If they're asking you for the particular solution, what you will be doing it? You find out general solution, and when you found general solution, then put the values of x and y and find c. After putting the value of c, that solution is called particular solution. Let's read the next one. Find the equation of the curve passing through the point 1, 1 whose differential equation is given like this. See, when you remember when we started integration, the geometrical interpretation, these are the curves, alright? Curves. So these are the differential equation of curve. I have to find out that particular curve which is passing through 1, 1, that particular curve. There will be many curves, those will be represented by this differential equation. Alright, if you remember the geometrical interpretation of integration, there will be many curves which will be represented by this differential equation, but I have to find out that particular curve which is 1, 1. That means indirectly they are asking me to find out the particular solution of this differential equation, nothing else. Is it clear? So question can be given in this form also. This is a differential equation, they are asking me to find out the equation of a curve. Equation of curve means y is equals to something. Alright, so that I need to find. The rule remains same. Segregate the variables. Integrate. Here I can split. Integration of 1 with respect to y will be y. So integrate. Increase the power by 1 divided by increased power. Clear? So I have plus c. Now this is a family of curves represented by this differential equation. Is it clear? Out of this family of curves, I need to find out that particular curve which is passing through 1, 1. So what I'll do, I'll just put the value. X is 1 and y is 1, put the value. 1 minus 1, 0, log 1 is also 0, so I got the value of c as 0. So these I have integration, I have told number of times. These values you need to remember. Log 1 is 0. So we got 0. So therefore, equation of curve is alright. Is it clear? So instead of just saying ki find the particular solution of differential equation or the general solution of differential equation, they can ask the question in this form also. So what are they asking? Find the equation of a curve which is passing through 1 and 1 and whose differential equation is given by this. Understood? So question can be asked in any form. You just have to see what are they asking and what we have to do in that question. Now, the last question of this topic. See, find the equation of the curve passing through the point minus 2, 3. The same which we did in the last question also. Given that the slope of the tangent to the curve at any point pxy is 2x upon y square. See, they घुमा के क्वेश्चन दे सकते हैं, there's no problem. You have to see क्या दे रखा है, सभी चैप्टर्स को आपस में कनेक्ट करना है, then only you will be able to solve the questions, girls. Alright. Now it says slope of the tangent is given to be 2x upon y square. क्या होता है slope of tangent? You all have done in application of derivative, you have done in differentiation. Slope of tangent to a curve at any point is represented by, that's right, it is dy upon dl. That is what is given to me. Slope, and we know that the slope of a curve at any point, slope of the tangent to the curve at any point is represented by dy upon dx. So that means I got a differential equation. See, children, मुश्किल नहीं है. सिर्फ ये है कि unless you don't remember and connect all the chapters together, you may not be able to solve and even understand few questions. ठीक है? So connectivity is very important. ये नहीं कि कुछ किया उसको छोड़ दिया. You can't छोड़ दिया वाला concept you can't apply. Is it clear? So you have to solve it. So segregate. Integrate. Increase the power by 1 divided by increased power. Increase the power by 1 divided by increased power. Now they are asking me a particular solution because they have asked me to find out that equation of a curve which is passing through minus 2, 3. Which is passing through minus 2, 3. So put. So it will become so we got C is equals to 5. Clear? So we put it here. Or is the equation of the curve is simplify. I am in the habit of writing it as y is equals to something. So that is the equation of the curve. Is it clear? Alright girls, so this was all about your solving differential equation of first order, first degree by using variable separable. The concept is very easy. Separate the variables. Integrate. If they are asking for general solution, you will leave up to C, but maximum whatever the simplification is possible that you have to do. If they are asking about the particular solution, put the values of x and y and then the question gets over. But if such kind of questions comes a word problem, you have to understand the word problem properly, convert into that English word problem into mathematical problem and then apply the same concept.